If you're a software developer, you know that coding can be a complex and time-consuming process. With so many different tools and platforms to manage, it can be difficult to keep track of everything and ensure that your code is up to standards. That's where Codeium comes in. Codeium is a platform that brings all of your development tools and workflows into one centralized location. It provides you with powerful collaboration tools, real-time code reviews, automated code testing and analysis, and integration with popular tools and platforms. With Codeium, you can streamline your development workflow, improve your code quality, save time and reduce errors, and increase your productivity and efficiency. The features are powerful collaboration tools, real-time code reviews, automated code testing and analysis, including integrated with popular tools and platforms. The benefits: streamlines your development workflow, improves code quality and collaboration, saves time and reduces errors, and increases productivity and efficiency. And the best part is, Codeium offers a free plan, so you can try it out and see if it's the right platform for you.